Hello students of class 10, exercise 14.1. In this video we will discuss question number 5. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing boxes. These boxes contains varying numbers of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Okay. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? So in here we will choose direct method. Okay, in here we will choose direct method. And one more thing in here I will have to see. You see the class interval, they are not continuous. Okay, the class interval you see 50 to 52, then comes 53 to 55, then comes 56 to 58, then comes 59 to 61, then comes 62 to 64. In our previous problems, you see the class intervals are continuous: 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 13, 500 to 520, 520 to 540, 540 to 560, 560 to 580, 580 to 600, 13, 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17, 17, 19, 19, 21, 21, 23, 23, 25. They are all continuous. But in here the class intervals, they are not continuous. You see 50 to 52, then comes 53 to 55. Okay. So in here we will solve this problem by direct method. Okay. So first of all we will have to draw the box. One, then okay. So in here first of all I will write the number of mangoes. Okay, number of, this is question number 5. Okay, question number 5, number of mangoes. Okay, or class interval I can write. Okay, number of mangoes or I can write it class interval. Okay, or class interval. Yes, class interval. Next we used to write frequency, but in here I will write class boundaries. Okay, class boundaries, class boundaries. Let me write this one properly. Okay, so first come your number of mangoes. Number of mangoes, or you can write class interval. Okay, which is 50 to 52, then 53 to 55, then 56 to 58, then 59 to 61, then 62 to 64. Okay, next will come, as the class intervals are not continuous, so next what I will have to do, I will write here class boundaries. boundaries. Okay, class boundaries. From the lower limit I will subtract. Okay, from the lower limit I will subtract 0.5. Okay, from the lower limit I will subtract 0.5, and to the upper limit I will add 0.5. okay, so 50 minus 0.5, 50.0 minus 0.5, 594, 49.5. Wait a minute. 49.5 to 52.5. Yes, 0.5 I will subtract from the lower limit and 0.5 I will add it to the upper limit. Okay, next again this one it will become 52.5. Yes, 52.5, and this will become 55.5. This will become 55.5, and this will become 58.5. This will become 58.5, and this will become 61.5. This will become 61.5, and this will become 64.5. okay, now I will write number of boxes or Fi, number of boxes Fi. It is given as 15, 110, 135, 115 and 25. okay, next I will write class mark xi. okay, class mark xi. Now this class mark I will calculate on this class boundary. So the class mark I will calculate it on the class boundaries. So class mark, how we calculate? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Yes, 49.5 plus 52.5. Let me calculate. 49.5 plus 52.5 divided by 2, I will get 46. okay, I will get 46. Next again 52.5 plus 55.5 divided by 2, I will get 54. Next 55.5 plus 58.5 divided by 2, I will get 57. Next 58.5 plus 61.5 divided by 2, I will get 60. Next 61.5 plus 64.5 divided by 2, I will get 63. Finished. Now I will write Fi okay, Fi this into this. So now 46 into 15, I will get 690. 110 into 54, I will get 5940. 135 into 57, I will get 7695. And then next 60 into 115, I will get 6900. 25 into 63, I will get 1575. Yes, done. Fi multiplied. Now I will find summation of Fi and summation of Fi. okay, summation of Fi, this whole thing, if I add it, plus 6900 plus 7695 plus 5940 plus 690, I will get is equals to summation of Fi is equals to, I will get 22800. 22800. Okay, and summation of fi I will get 15 plus 110 plus 135 plus 115 plus 25 is equals to, I will get 400. Yes, is equals to 400. So therefore mean, yes, mean, mean, mean x dash, it will be is equals to summation of fi xi by summation of fi, which is equals to 22800 by 400. 4 gone. 228 divided by 4, I will get 57 is equals to 57. It will be 57 mangoes. Okay, 57 mangoes. So this will be my answer. Okay, and this method I have done it by direct method. Okay, direct method. Okay, so let's check the back answer one time. It is 57 there or not. Exercise 14.1, question number 5. Exercise 14.1, question number 5. 14.1, question number 57.19 there. I have got 57. 57 only it will be the answer. Okay, because it is number of mangoes, yes or no? So it will be a whole number, 57. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. And exercise 14.1, rest of the problems 6, 7 and 8 and 9 you try to do by yourself. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is homework, you try to do by yourself. If you get any trouble, then you can write it in the comment section. Okay, from our next video we will discuss mode of mode of group data. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.